created your business manager and you have given access to your team, all you have to do is set up your payment integration. So you have to click payments, add payment method. You can give your access, give your card details and stuff. And then once you give this, you will be taken to an option called add account settings. So because I have not given this, you will, yeah, I can't see this, but usually you can see something called add account settings here. And once you go there, you should also give your card details there. Don't worry, Facebook is gonna charge you a basic insured amount and then they will give it back. So we don't have to worry about it. So add card payment method and add card details, right? So after this is done, you have to go back to business settings immediately. And since you are ready to set your ads, one step left, like for the last step that is left is data sources. We have to track everything that is going on with our ads and in our website. So go to pixels. You can add a pixel. You can literally create your pixel, give your website's address and give it a name. And once you continue, it will be something like this, right? And once you have this, you have to add people, give access, give manage pixel, assign access, and then go back to option, click the 9 dots here, go back to option called events manager, where you can literally get the code of the pixel and paste it in your website's header or the tracking area in your website if you are using any funnel builder. See, I have already installed my pixel in a website. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you again how to get the codes. So in here, once you give access, I will have the option to add events from a new website, install code manually, copy code. So this will give me a code which I have to paste it in my header or the tracking area of any website that I'm building. So you can also email these instructions to the website builder or a designer or funnel designer, and they will do it for you, right? Once you do this, next step is you have to start automatic advanced tracking, and you have to track everything because we need data in order to get ads running. And once you do this, continue, and then you can literally set up a code or set up custom events. So this part you don't have to worry. The only part you have to be careful is adding the pixel code in every website and every page header. So I hope this is clear now. So if not, feel free to ask me. We'll be hopping on a call and we can get that done for you. So this saves time, and once you do this, you're literally ready to run ads. So I hope this is clear. Talk to you soon. Cheers, guys.